our beloved University President, Dr. Erwin Cadorna, to our hardworking Dean, Dr. Julius Moises Albalos, Sir, to our Board of Regents, to our guest of honor and speaker, Director Larry F. Dizon, to the faculty members of College of Technology, Ma'am, Sir, to our loving parents, fellow graduates, friends, visitors, ladies and gentlemen, a pleasant morning to all. June 26th of 2024, a day which is definitely not an ordinary day. Today, we acknowledge the people we have met, the lessons we have learned, and the memories we made in our 4 years as college students. We, the batch 2023-2024, have encountered numerous challenges, particularly when COVID-19 struck. Our first 2 years were conducted online, allowing us to attend classes from bed with coffee and breakfast in hand. Uray no uniforme ti makita ti nga to, naka-shirt lang kamti pambaba. Some of us were privileged enough to join the classes online, but there were also those who struggled to join due to many reasons. Dealing with personal problems, no gadgets to be used, work-related, time constraints, and slow internet connections. As I experienced firsthand, there were times that I had to go outside to find a strong internet connection just to enter a class. This showed how we really wanted to learn, because during online classes, I can see some of my classmates that were attending classes from anywhere, at the beach, at the field, above the roof, anywhere one could find an internet connection. Adan tupay tay naka-open mic, nagririnton tay uni ti aso ken manok. Adan tupay tay agpatpatang, no nya kano ti masida. Because of this, we face the difficulty of not learning much about our practical activities. Our instructors had to adapt, focusing primarily on theories, which left us unprepared for hands-on activities when face-to-face classes resumed. Even though face-to-face classes have resumed, it's still not easy for us. We have to review and redo some of our practical activities to become more familiar and cope up with our subjects. This has caused us to fall slightly behind in the curriculum, requiring the instructors to adjust. A particular subject caused us to be stuck for most of the semester, doubling our workload just to complete assignments and projects on time. Also, when our on-the-job training began, we expected things to get easier, but we faced many difficulties once again. We were so challenged that amin nga problema, bagamilatan nga part of the training mi dayta. Adanto tay nabayag nga agdigos, nabayag nga agbanyo, agririnton tay daduma. Tagapuanan nasa nga pulo kami diyan ti may isang apartment, tapos may isa di banyo. Problema mi pati panangan, baglakid din tada ni Shawi, Mendoza ken Rabuya nga tagaluto mi. Ajay lang noon manen ti magagat nga makitenda. Pinatudon pati panaginaw, pati panagsakada ti mainom, uray di karuba lang ti gumatangan. We learned to communicate and cooperate with each other. One person's problem became everyone's. No one was left behind. After stepping out of our comfort zone and working far from home for almost 4 months, our hard work is finally paying off. Despite these challenges, we persevered. And look at us now. We are graduating. So this day is very significant to me. Today marks a huge opportunity for me to give back to people that helped me through my academic journey. Education is really important in our family. I was raised by my grandparents since my mother had to work overseas. They opened my eyes to become better in every way I can. So I would like to take this opportunity to thank those people behind me and this success. To my grandmother and my late grandfather, Nay, Tay, thank you for your care even when I was stubborn. Thank you for your patience and for always extending your loving arms whenever I have faced with difficult times. You paved the way for me to reach where I am now. Ay eton kayo unay. To mom and dad and adings, graduate na panganay nyo, may kasama pang laude. This is for you. Thank you for always understanding and guiding me. Thank you for always providing my needs. Naglalo kat kanayanak dumawat ti allowance ko. I know it's still far from I want to show you. But here's a sneak peek of what you can expect from me. I promise to always do my best and make you proud. I love you. Let me also thank our second parents here at school on behalf of the CTEC graduating class of 2024, to our instructors and mentors. Thank you for guiding us. We will surely remember your teachings in our future field of work. To my friends, Best IT Electrical Major, thank you so much for the support. I know without you guys, my college life would be boring. Oray siguro no halos kanayon kay DJ Bilyaran. Todo support kayo lahat na. Lalo no the exam kin quiz. To my OJT fam, Texas Instruments of Clark, Pampanga, thank you for giving me an opportunity to work with you. Many lessons were learned during my stay with you. To the dance troupe I am in, Dangay Saririt Hip Hop Dance Troupe. Even though it was short spent, I had fun and enjoyed every bit. Thank you for all the dances we've grooved together. And the last person I want to thank to, my loving girlfriend. Thank you for all the love, care, support, and patience. You've always been the wall I could lean on during difficult times. You've always believed in me and pushed me beyond my limits. Most especially during these last few months during my OJT. Thank you and I love you. Graduate na tayo, love. Mapapamahal na yung pamasahin natin sa bus. Regular nang sasabihin natin at hindi na estudyante. Above all, to God Almighty, for the knowledge, wisdom, love, care, and guidance. To everyone who made me this person today, I am deeply thankful. Let's keep moving forward in our journey. One last thing before I end this speech. You are braver than you think, more talented than you know, and capable of more than you imagine. Congratulations to all of us. Thank you.